What's up, guys? Tyre 120 here, and welcome back to a long-awaited unboxing Tech Tuesday video. I haven't made a video in I don't know how long. It's been a while, but I'm back with another unboxing for y'all. Today is going to be an Asus gaming monitor, and to be honest, I know nothing about this device. Backstory, this is my brother's monitor. He knows I didn't make videos for my YouTube channel in a while. He bought this for his gaming setup, and he's like, hey, you want to make a video? I say, sure, even though I don't know nothing about it. I know nothing about this monitor. So with that being said, I'll do my best to make this the most informal unboxing, gaming, PC monitor as I can. As you can see, the brand is Asus. Tough gaming, 27 inches, 68.6 centimeters. Over here, it has, oh, that's not English. Okay. That's interesting. Alright. Well, the monitor is LCD, 27 inch. The resolution is 1920 by 1080p Full HD. HD. I don't know the rest. Oh my. Oh. It has a 165 hertz display. IPS, ultra wide viewing angles. I do not know what that is. There's a lot going on here. So that's pretty much it on the outside. What about on the bottom? That's about it. I don't know why it's not in English, but I have no idea. So, alright. So, oh boy. Let's open this big boy up. Alright, I'll open it up. This is the front, so I'm gonna flip it. Ooh, this thing's heavy. Alright, be careful not to break the styrofoam. Oh man. Alright, I'm about to turn this thing upside down. Yeah, this is kind of impossible with one hand. I need to get a tripod. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, this is a stiff one. Alright. This thing doesn't want to come out. But over here we got an HDMI. I do not know what type of cord this is. I have no clue. This is a three-prong wall outlet. Here's the brick of a power brick. Now I'm going to come back and take this hefty monster out. Yo, y'all don't know what I went through to take this thing off, bro. Oh god, this was a battle. I almost lost, but I conquered. Alright, let's lift this bad boy off. A little unveiling. I hope this is the screen up, because I don't know. I think so. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Oh, this thing is huge. Oh, is a monitor supposed to be so heavy? Okay. Asus right there. Oh man. Oh, I might as well put it together for him. I might as well. Oh, gee whiz. Oh, look at that screen. That looks dope. Can this come up? It's not a protective. I think that's, wow. If, oh, that's nice. Here are the inputs or outputs. Let me hold it up. Oh boy. Tough gaming, Asus. And put it face down. Nah, hold on. Now that's much more safer. Alright. I guess it's a one-way button that swivels. So, I'm gonna do my brother a favor. Oh, and this moves up and down. I'm just gonna go get some tools. Here's the stand. Oh, that's dope. That's dope. That's my new word for my videos. I say that a lot at work. That's dope. So, this is an easy install screw on stand. So I'm just gonna quickly install this on. Alright. I just got it attached. There you go. Oh boy, let me put that to the side real quick. Let me see. I'm gonna put this here. Come on. Oh God. Whoa. And I have a laptop, but I don't know if the input is gonna. It might work. But my current laptop is a bit trashy, and it takes forever to cut on. Maybe one day I'll buy a new one and hey, have another unboxing of a laptop. So I'm about to get this all set up and get it plugged up and see how it looks on. Alright, I just got my laptop to work. I plugged everything up. All I gotta do is plug the power connector inside. I decided to wait because I didn't want it to come on prematurely. So let me insert it really quick. Alright, I plugged in the plug. How do I turn it on? I'm guessing the button. I click the button. Let me try holding it. Oh. Is it on? Oh. That's dope. Whoa. Alright, I found a 4K video. Let's see how it looks. Ooh. It looks pretty cool. The coloring is much more deeper than what you see on my actual laptop. So my brother might have to change the color tones because it's much darker on here than how it is here. Oh, what's happening? Alright, crisis averted. That looks pretty good. This is my laptop. This is the monitor. Golden orb weaver spider. Whatever type of snake that is. This is a pretty big display. It reminds me of a TV. I could just use this as a TV in itself. This is oddly satisfying. But let's see if there's anything else. I still don't know What type of, I think this is an additional cord. I didn't want to open this up yet, but I already plugged this in. I just did HDMI to HDMI from my laptop to the TV, from here, and from the port in the back. This is just instruction how to screw it in. This, I have no idea. So yeah. Let's see if I can find some gameplay video before I end this video. Alright, this is some, as far as the gameplay. I don't think my laptop, my puny little laptop, does it justice, because it doesn't put out much output with the quality. So probably whenever he powers up his PlayStation 4 or Xbox One, it'll brighten up even more. I don't know how display quality works. I should, get into that, but I just showing that it works. This is how it looks. This is how big it is. If you want to look at the stuff that's here it is. And that's about it. If you like this video, drop a like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next unboxing video. Ty here 120 out. Peace.